John D. Rockefeller. You know the name. He's a figure that looms large in the annals of American history, a symbol of immense wealth and industrial power. You know he was rich, but not just any kind of rich. Filthy rich, even by today's standards. Imagine the kind of wealth that could buy entire neighborhoods, fund universities, and still have enough left over to influence the course of history. But here's the thing, he didn't win the lottery. His fortune wasn't a stroke of luck. He didn't inherit a fortune. He built it from the ground up, starting with nothing but a vision and an unyielding work ethic.
Rockefeller wasn't afraid to hustle, but he was even smarter about making his money work for him. He understood the power of reinvestment and the importance of strategic partnerships. He understood that true wealth wasn't about trading time for dollars. It was about leveraging time, using it as a tool to multiply his efforts. It was about building systems, making smart investments, and watching your money grow while you sleep. He diversified his investments, ensuring that his wealth was not just vast, but also resilient.
This isn't about worshipping at the altar of wealth. It's about understanding the principles that can lead to financial independence. It's about learning from a master. Rockefeller's strategies are timeless, applicable even in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world. It's about taking control of your financial future. By studying his methods, you can gain insights into how to manage and grow your own wealth. And guess what? You don't need a monocle or a top hat to do it. You just need the right mindset, a willingness to learn, and the determination to apply these principles in your own life. Rockefeller's story is a testament to the power of vision, hard work, and smart financial strategies. So, are you ready to rewrite your own financial rules? Rockefeller wasn't about that 9-to-5 grind. He was a visionary, someone who saw beyond the conventional work hours and traditional ways of making money. Don't get me wrong, the man had a work ethic that would put a machine to shame. He was relentless, always pushing the boundaries of what was possible, always looking for new opportunities. But he knew that true wealth came from creating assets, not just earning a paycheck. He understood that to build lasting wealth, one had to invest in things that would generate income over time without constant effort.
He focused on building businesses that generated income even when he wasn't physically present. His empire, Standard Oil, was a testament to this philosophy. It was a well-oiled machine, pun intended, that kept generating revenue day and night. Sound familiar? It's the same principle behind everything from real estate to online businesses today. The idea is to create systems and structures that work for you, even when you're not actively involved.
Rockefeller's approach was revolutionary. He was a pioneer in understanding the power of passive income and leveraging it to build an empire. He didn't just play the game, he changed the rules. He redefined what it meant to be successful in business, setting a new standard for future generations. And that's what we're going to learn to do. By studying his methods and applying his principles, we can also create lasting wealth and success. So let's dive deeper into Rockefeller's blueprint and uncover the secrets to his monumental success. Here's a news flash. Relying on a single source of income is risky business. Rockefeller knew this.
That's why he diversified. And I'm not just talking about stocks and bonds. He had his hands in oil, of course, but also railroads, banking, and real estate. Each stream fed into the others, creating a powerful engine of wealth generation.
Think about it. If one stream dries up, you've got others to keep you afloat. It's like having a financial safety net woven from pure gold. Ever roll a snowball downhill? It starts small, but as it gathers snow, it grows exponentially. This simple act of rolling a snowball can teach us a lot about the power of compounding. That's the power of compounding. Just like the snowball, your investments can grow exponentially over time. Rockefeller was a master at this. He knew that the secret to building immense wealth lay in the principle of compounding.
He understood that reinvesting his earnings, even small amounts, would lead to massive growth over time. By continually reinvesting his profits, he was able to create a financial empire. Think of it like planting a seed. At first, it's just a tiny sprout, but with time, water, and sunlight, it grows into a towering tree. Similarly, your investments, when nurtured and reinvested, can grow into substantial wealth. Think of it this way: every dollar you invest is like planting a seed. You're not just earning money, you're planting seeds for future wealth. By investing wisely and allowing your earnings to compound, you're putting your money to work for you. Each dollar becomes a tiny worker, tirelessly generating more wealth. It's like having a team of tiny financial ninjas working around the clock to make you richer. These financial ninjas are relentless and they never sleep.
And there you have it. The snowball effect. Just as a snowball grows larger as it rolls downhill, your investments can grow exponentially through the power of compounding. Compounding is truly your best friend. By understanding and harnessing this powerful principle, you can achieve financial success beyond your wildest dreams. So start today, invest wisely, and let the magic of compounding work for you.
Building empires, investing in assets that work for you.
Rockefeller didn't just hoard money, he put it to work. He invested in assets that generated more wealth: companies, real estate, infrastructure. These weren't just pieces of paper, they were engines of value creation, spitting out profits like a well-oiled machine. This is about building a financial fortress, brick by brick. It's about owning assets that pay you, not the other way around. Modern day tycoon, from zero to hero.
Think Rockefeller's strategies are ancient history? Think again. Take someone like Sarah Blakely, for example. She started with a simple idea for a new kind of hosiery, but she didn't stop there.
They diversified, invested in assets like real estate and various businesses, and leveraged the power of compounding.
Now they're laughing all the way to the bank. This isn't a fairy tale. It's happening every day. People from all walks of life are using these principles to achieve financial freedom.
The art of not working. Passive income is the key.
Here's the kicker: achieving financial freedom doesn't mean you have to be chained to a desk. In fact, it's quite the opposite.
Remember those multiple income streams we talked about? They're the key to unlocking passive income. Money that flows in even when you're sipping margaritas on a beach.
Imagine waking up every morning with money already in your account, earned while you slept. That's the power of passive income.
Unlocking your financial freedom. It's your turn.
You don't need to be a Rockefeller to achieve financial freedom. You just need the right mindset and the willingness to take action. Start by identifying your income streams.
What skills do you have? What assets can you leverage? How can you put your money to work for you?
It's time to take control of your financial destiny. The tools are within your reach.
Go forth and conquer. The future is yours to create.
Financial freedom isn't a pipe dream, it's a choice. It's about taking Rockefeller's blueprint and adapting it to the 21st century. It's about building a life where you work because you want to, not because you have to.
So, what are you waiting for? The world is yours for the taking.
Go forth and create the future you deserve.